my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome back to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. Children, in last session I had given you a homework. What was your homework? Yes, to draw a picture of your house. Have you drawn that picture and have you colored it? If yes, then very good. Do you remember what we have learnt in the last session? Yes, in the last session we have learned different types of houses, rooms in a house and caring for house. So we will take a short review of that lesson through short video. Okay, you just see the video.
Different types of houses. Early humans used to live in caves. Today, we live in different types of houses. Let us know more about different types of houses. Some houses are big and some are small. Different types of houses are built with different materials. A permanent or a pakka house is made of bricks, steel, cement and glass. Pakka houses are strong. They are mostly found in towns and cities. A temporary or kacha house is made of mud and straw. Kacha houses are not very strong. They are mostly found in villages. Houses with a sloping roof are found in the hills where it rains or snows a lot. The sloping roofs let the rainwater or snow slide off easily. Other types of houses, like a houseboat, a stilt house, an igloo, are also built in places which have different climates. All houses have rooms in them, which are used for different purposes.
Okay, children, did you enjoy the video? Now, everyone, open your book. We will solve the exercise of this lesson. Okay, take your pencil. Shall I read the questions? Okay, see, things you know. Question A. Fill in the missing letters to name the rooms of a house. Here some letters are missing. We have to write that correct letter to get the correct answer. Okay? See, first sentence is we sleep here. Where do we sleep? Kitchen, living room, bedroom or dining room. Where do we sleep? The name of that room starts from B. Yes, correct. We sleep in bedroom. Very good. So write here B-E-D, bed. R-double-O-M, bedroom. Where do we sleep? We sleep in a bedroom. Next, we cook food here. Where your mama cook food? In which room? The name of that room start with K. Which is that room? Kitchen. Correct. Right. K-I kitchen. We cook food in a kitchen. Next, we sit and talk here. In which room you sit, relax, you talk with your family members, you watch TV, sometimes you read newspaper. In which room? Yes, in living room. So write here Living, living, living room. Room, living room. Next, we bathe here. Where do you take a bath? In a bathroom. Correct. Right here. Bathroom. Done. Once again I will repeat all the answers. See, first one, we sleep here, bedroom. We cook food here, kitchen. We sit and talk here, living room. We bathe here, bathroom. Next question. Done first one. So we will go ahead. See, next one. Choose the correct words from the box and fill in the blanks. Here you have to fill in the blanks with correct word. Here one hell box is given and in that hell box clues are given. So we will use those words. See, first, we keep our house dash dash and dash dash. How do we keep our house? Dirty or clean? And neat and tidy also you can say. So which is the correct word? We keep our house neat and tidy. Correct. So what is the spelling of neat? N-E-A-T. Neat and tidy. T-I-D-Y. Tidy. Done. We keep our house neat. N-E-A-T. Neat and tidy. T-I-D-Y. Tidy. Next, dash dash, late in air and sunshine. Tell me what is the correct word? Kitchen, heat or windows? Yes, windows, late in air and sunshine. So write here W-I-N. W must be capital. W-I-N-D-O-W-S. Windows. Windows, late in air and sunshine. Next, we cook food in the dash dash. In which room we cook the food? Yes, in kitchen room. So write here K-I-T-C-H-E-N. Kitchen. We cook food in the kitchen. Done. Next one. Our house protect us from what? Our house protect us from heat. H-E-A-T, heat. See, need and heat, both the rhyming words. So don't do any mistake while writing the words. Our house protect us from heat. Right? H-E-A-T. H-E-A-T, heat, and N-E-A-T, need. Remember both the words. The meaning of both the words is different. Done. Next. Answer in one or two words. See, first question. Which houses are mostly found in towns and cities? Tell me which houses we found in cities and towns? Pakka house or kacha house? Yes, the houses which are strong and which are made of bricks, cement, glass and steel, they are known as pakka houses. Correct. So where do we find pakka houses? In towns and cities. So write here pakka houses. P-U-C-C-A, pakka houses. H-O-U-S-E-S. We find pakka houses in towns and cities. Next question is, which houses are made of mud and straw? See children, here you can write pakka or permanent also. Both the words are same, pakka or permanent. So what is the next question? Which houses are made of mud and straw? Which are those houses made up of mud and straw? Kacha or temporary houses. So write here K-U-T-C-H-A, kacha houses. H-O-U-S-E-S. You can write here temporary also. Okay, both the words are same, kacha or pakka houses. Done. See, next question. Answer in one sentence. What is the first question? Why do we need a house? Can you tell why do we need a house? Yes, we need a house to live in and it protects us from heat, wind, rain and cold. Once again I will repeat the answer. Why do we need a house? We need a house to protect ourselves from heat, rain, wind and cold. It also protects us from thieves and dangerous animals. Done. Next, why do houses in hills have sloping roofs? Tell me, the houses which are in hilly area, why they have sloping roofs? See, the houses in the hills have sloping roofs because it lets rainwater and snow slide off easily. Is that clear? Turn the page. See, what is the next question? Question E. Get busy. Write the names of the rooms under each picture group. See, here the pictures of some rooms are given. You have to write the names of each room by observing the pictures. Means you can observe the things which are given here. Okay. What do you see in first picture? Look that picture carefully. What is this? This is the bed. Next, see, this is table lamp and cupboard is there. Then in which room do you find all these things? Yes, in a bedroom. So write here BEDROOM. Bedroom. We find all these things in bedroom. Next picture. See, what do you see in this picture? One wall painting is there, sofa set is there, see, television is there and flower vase is there. In which room do you find these things? Sofa set, television, wall paintings. Yes, in living room. Right here, LIVING, 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 living room, ROOM, room. Next picture. See, what do you see in this picture? Wash basin is there, then shower, bucket, etc. These things are there. Then tell me, where do you find these things? In a bathroom. Right here, BATHROOM, bathroom. Next picture. See, observe this picture and tell me which things are these and where do you find these things. Can you see pressure cooker is there, some spoons are there, gas stove is there. Then tell me, in which room do you find these things? Correct, in a kitchen. So write here KITCHEN, kitchen. Done. Once again I will repeat. See, the first picture means the things in the first picture we find in bedroom, second living room, third one bathroom, next kitchen. Done. Now downside, see children, some activities are given. You have to do those activities at home. See, making your own house. How to make your own house? See, use waste materials like leaves and ice cream sticks to create a house on a pastel sheet. On a pastel sheet, you have to make your own house by using leaves and ice cream sticks. See, which things are needed here? A4 size pastel sheet, glue, leaves, ice cream sticks. Now see how to make a house. Glue the ice cream sticks on the pastel paper and on each other as shown in the picture. See, like this you have to paste the ice cream stick with the help of glue on a pastel sheet. Then stick the leaves as shown to make the thatched roof. See, the roof is here made up of leaves. Like this you also make a roof with the help of leaves. Your house is ready. See children, this is very simple activity and you have to do with the help of leaves of plant and ice cream sticks. Next activity is, do you know animals also live in different kinds of houses? In last lesson we have learned different types of animals and their houses also I told you. Make a chart and paste picture of any 5 animals in their homes. Here you have to make a chart and in that chart paste pictures of any 5 animals in their homes. Okay? Do you understood? Okay. See children, today here we have completed our lesson number 4, that is at home. Today you have to read all the question answers as well as lesson. Okay? Here we will conclude over here and we will meet in the next session. Till that, take care children. Bye.